Hi guys. I don't really know what I'm gonna do today, but we're gonna find out. I'm gonna find out. We're gonna be teaching you how to fold a paper airplane. Don't judge, okay? Like mine might turn out bad, but at least I know how, okay? Like kind of hard. I just learned how. So we're gonna get a piece of paper. And we're gonna fold it down the middle. Here, I'm just doing it really quick. I'll show you. You're gonna fold it the long way, like this. Right? Not like, so it should be like, I'm gonna open it up. So it's like that. Okay? And then you're gonna open it up again. And then fold this down to the line. And then do that on the other side. And then you're gonna push it down lightly. So now it should look like this. And then, if you fold it up like this, there, I'll show you. Like that, and then go like ciao, like that. So what I did is instead of folding it down like that, I folded it up. Okay? And then you're gonna, I wish I could like turn my camera down, but sadly I don't have a camera. Oopsies. So you're gonna do that, fold it all the way down to there, and then you're gonna repeat it on the other, like so. Don't mind, like, it doesn't have to be the exact same on both sides, because mine isn't, right? Well, just because mine is either. And then you're gonna do this. And then I repeated that on that side, and then you do it again on the other. And then you're gonna like point the tip here, like so. Let's see, I'm gonna go to the other end of my kitchen and throw. Oh, it made it really far. It made it like right beside you guys here, right underneath the desk. But yeah, and let's stand here. Do you see that? I'll show you where. Right here. But yeah, use this. And then after, I might do more paper airplane videos and other ways to do it. And I might, yeah. So please subscribe to Emma Shorts and Awesome Emma. Bye, guys.